it's Ronen. There's a very large video linked in the description where I brought Adam to the studio. He said yes again. He was performing a show the following day, and I said, what would it be like for you to teach me and for us to play together 2 songs, Dark Eyes and Anniversary Waltz? So here's what I'd like for you to do. You can watch the whole video, fine, there's lots of good stuff there. What I'd like for you to do is, I asked Adam to play the version of, I think, Anniversary Waltz by himself solo. I'd like for you to, if you know the song, lots of you do. If not, there are 3 chords in the main parts of it. There's an A minor, a D minor, and an E. A minor, D minor, E. You know these chords. Try and play along with Adam. Don't listen to how I do it. Take that 1-minute version that Adam does and just see what it's like to play with someone. Obviously, it's different. Once Adam and I play, his style changes and my style changes. I know the song by myself. I know how to play. But it's gonna be different when I play with someone else. There's gonna be things that are different about the song when we interact with other people. That's the first thing I want you to pay attention to. I'll show you the video. The link is in the description. This is the part where Adam plays solo. There are timestamps that you can look at here. It's a long video. The other thing that I want you to see is every time we play it, it's slightly different, which is natural. When we dance with someone, it's going to be slightly different. We can perfect it, but this is the first time that I'm playing these songs with Adam. I kept it transparent. The last thing that I want you to notice is that I make mistakes. I keep messing up the chords. I know how to play Anniversary Waltz. I'll nail it if I try to do it. For some reason, we're playing it in a different key than I'm used to. For some reason, I'm thinking about musicality and I miss the chord change. For some reason, Adam does the intro part, part A, an extra time, and I go to the chorus. So it's okay to screw up. To screw up. You'll see every time that I laugh or shake my head, it means, oh, you tricked me. To myself. And so please have grace with yourself. We're all trying to keep track of 40 things. Is the fingering correct? Am I using the right voice? Am I doing the right rhythm? I screw up too. So enjoy the video. It's in the description. I'll link to it. Enjoy me and Adam's performance. Let me know what you think. Thank you.